Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Alia binti Jeffrizan, matric number 1222519, and this is my presentation about the question for Excel assignment. There are two questions in this Excel assignments and we will go through one by one. So let's move on to the first question. Shahrul plans to take out a loan of 500,000 at an effective rate of interest of 3.5% per annum for the first 5 years and at an effective rate of interest of 5% per annum thereafter. For Shahrul's loan structure, it is stated that no loan repayments were made for the first 24 months. There's a possibility that the capital repayment is negative. After that, level loan repayment are made every month and the loan is to be fully repaid in 15 years since that loan is taken out. For this such case, if repayment are insufficient to cover the interest due to every month, then the outstanding loan balance will be increased to cover the shortfall of the loan. Construct the monthly loan schedule. So, after reading the question, the first thing that we need to do to answer this question is to take out the information from the question. From the question, it's mentioned that the loan is 500,000 and the interest rate for the first 60 months is 3.5% and to get but that is for per annum, so we need to convert it to monthly interest rate and we get 0.002870899. And then there's also a new interest rate which is after the first 6 months, which is 5%, and also need to be converted into monthly interest rate, which is 0.004074124. Then it may also mention in the question that there are no payments for the first 24 months and also the payment will be happen until 5 years, which is 180 months. So with the information given, we need to calculate how much is the monthly payment for the first 5 years and also the monthly payment after the first 5 years. So to answer this part, we can use in the Excel the formula of PMT, which means that we need to multiply interest rate with with terms that already exclude the initial deferred payments and also with present value, and then we will get the first 5 years 4,264.30 and also monthly payment thereafter, which is 4,562.40. So, in the loan amortization table, there will be 6 columns, which is months, beginning balance, payment, interest, principal repaid, and also ending balance. So, first of all, we need to key in the beginning balance, which is 500,000, which is the amount of loan that already Shahrus take, and then payment that we already searched before using the PMT. Next is interest. How to calculate interest? We need to multiply beginning balance with the monthly interest rate that already we converted from the interest rate per annum. And also next, principal repaid, which is we get by minus beginning balance payment and also interest to get principal repaid, and also ending balance is when you minus beginning balance with the principal repaid. So with all the information, which is that there's no payment from month 1 until 24, and also the amount of payments after that is 4,264.30, and after the 60 months is 4,562.40, you will get at the end by the end of 180 months, the total amount of payment is 701,002 ringgit 0.55, and also the total amount of interest is 201,002 ringgit 0.55, which means that principal repaid already get 500,000, which is equal to beginning balance, and also the ending balance becomes zero. So this is how to construct loan amortization table. Next, moving on to question 2, which is we need to construct the bond amortization table for discount and premium bond in one Excel file but on two different sheets. So here, we need to differentiate between bond amortization table for discount and also premium. But what is the difference between discount and premium bond? So this is bond amortization table for discount. The difference from bond and premium, discount and premium is the coupon rate of the bond is much more smaller than the real rate of the bond. So from this information, that example that I put it here, we can see that the amount of amortization of discount will be negative, and the book value at the end of the period of maturity period will be the same value as the par value. So next, since the difference from the discount and premium is the coupon rate and yield rate, here we can see that the coupon rate of this bond is much greater than the yield rate. With the same par value, we can construct an example of bond amortization table that the book value at the end of the period we can get the 10,000, which is same as the par value, and also the amount of for amortization of period of premium is positive. That's all from me. Thank you.